Right, this looks like a fun one here. We have f of x equal to 8x squared minus 16x plus 16, and all that's in parentheses, times e to the x. And so what we're going to do is use the product rule, and I'm going to take the derivative of 8x squared minus 16x plus 16 first. And so let's do this term by term. So we say the derivative of 8x squared, bring the 2 out front, remember. And so we have 16x, and the derivative of negative 16x is just negative 16, and the derivative of 16 is 0. So I'm going to put parentheses around that, and then just rewriting e to the x. Okay, and I'm going to continue this down one line. And so now I'm going to rewrite this first function, 8x squared minus 16x plus 16, putting parentheses around it. And then the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, because remember, you look at the exponent and you take the derivative of x, and the derivative of x is just 1, right? Bringing the 1 out front, and so you have 1 times e to the x. So when we look at e to the x, the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. All right, now what we could do here is simplify this, and I'm going to distribute this e to the x across. So we have f prime of x is equal to, so distributing the x across, we have 16x e to the x minus 16 e to the x, and then we want to distribute the e to the x across, plus, and so we have 8x squared e to the x. I'm going to continue this on down, minus 16x. All right, here's our negative 16x. We're distributing this e to the x. All right, we have e to the x, and then one more time, e to the x times 16, so plus 16 e to the x. Now, we can cancel some terms out. We have a 16 e to the x, that can be gone, and a positive 16 e to the x, right? We can get rid of that one. And we have a 16x e to the x and a negative 16x e to the x, so we can get rid of those guys there. And so now, after the smoke is cleared, we have f prime of x is equal to 8x squared e to the x. So you always want to simplify your answers if they simplify and look nice like this one.